Cotu has announced a total shutdown of National Highway 2 and National Highway 37 from January 27 to 28, protesting the alleged burning of Songlung 2 village on January 26. In a statement, Cotu alleged that armed cadres of the Ziliangrong United Front ZUF faction led by S. Kamson razed Songlung 2 village, burning at least 5 houses and a vehicle on January 26, Republic Day. Cotu condemned the attack as a direct affront to the rule of law and constitutional authority. Meanwhile, Southern Hills Area Liberation Council Action, Sahilka, also condemned the attack, stating that ZUF's justification for the act was pretentious and criminal. It alleged that ZUF leadership has claimed responsibility for the harassment and burning of homes and issued a 24-hour ultimatum to ZUF to surrender and compensate for the losses. On the other hand, Kuki Area People's Development Council KAPDC questioned the security deployment and response, noting that the village is near Wapong, Inthan, with the nearest army posts at Hauchong and Kotlan. KAPDC appealed to the governor of Manipur and the government of India to deploy adequate security forces and establish a permanent police outpost in Kangchup to protect civilians.